Welcome to Zimbabwe. Uria. I'm feeding my chicken very well, so if you want chicken for Christmas, there's something here for you. You know? No, chicken, I gave you that. Eat that, okay? Uria, 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 yes, Uria. Kriana, 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 okay? Kriana. Hey good people, welcome to my village here in Zimbabwe, Lanyula Sustainable Village. So I'm trying to prepare millet and just take you through an experience of what you can actually experience in case you want a cultural experience, village experience here in Zimbabwe. So I have with me some millet here and I'm going to take you through the whole process. And one thing I love about this place, it represents the whole of Zimbabwe. There's representation of the Lozi people, Tonga people, Ndebele, Shona, everything that you basically want to experience in Zimbabwe, you can get it here at Lanyula Sustainable Village. Come with me and let me give you an experience of village life here in Zimbabwe, Africa. Let's do this! Woo! How's my chicken? Come, come, come.
Zimbabwe, 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 Zimbabwe.
So behind me we have the African chicken as well as chicken, the one that you know. But this is not your regular chicken. This is called the village chicken or road runner chicken as they call it here in Zimbabwe. So after grinding my millet here, I sorted it out at first. So I've grinded it. The next process is how we prepare millet here in our village in Zimbabwe. Let's go to the next step. So this is the elder who is introducing me to the Zimbabwean culture. So what are we going to do here now?
Yeah, right. We are going to now taking out the stuff, and we go down, and that's the cultural part again, and we can grind it. Yes.
Okay, so show me the way. You know more than I do. You've seen more like more moons.
Put it.
Okay.
Put it down. Get the touch here.
Okay.
Let it down.
Okay.
Let it down. So touch it.
Here.
Yes. One hand up.
Okay. Like that.
Yes. You lift it up. Your hand lift this up.
Okay.
Get everything up.
Everything out. I'm taking off the dart.
Yes.
Yes, I'm taking off the dart.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remove it. by wind.
Wind is
When
helping me.
the wind blows, if you take it off. Kupepeta.
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 Do you know in Kiswahili it's actually called kupepeta?
Oh.
Yeah, in Kiswahili, in Kenya we call it kupepeta.
Okay.
So this is kupepeta in Kiswahili, so it's the same in Zimbabwe.
Same in Zimbabwe.
So I'm winnowing in English and kupepeta in Kiswahili, so let's pepeta.
Yeah.
Okay, so now once we have this ready, come with me, so let me show you our next stage.
We are going down.
This is our traditional posho meal.
Take half
a little of it to grind it, right? So you have to keep repeating. So once you've grinded it once, you always have to keep repeating grinding. You'll take this and put it back once you're done grinding so that you'll have a very good meal. How do you call the African chicken? 101. 101, come. You see, they're coming to me. You see? They don't like me then. Oh, well, so after finishing grinding all this is my final product. Excuse me, it's not as fine as you'd expect it, but if you can see some fine powder in it, that is the end goal. But since I'm still a learner and forgiven in this, they're just introducing me to the culture. My Zimbabwean in-laws, they're introducing me to the culture. So once I'm done with it, we're going to take it back to their hut. So this is our next step. Goodbye. After preparing our maize meal, so I'm now going to take you to collect water. One good thing about this place is that water is free for all villagers. Come with me and let me show you that. Finally here at the village water point with our mothers here, and we just came to basically fetch water. I just love the fact that Lanyula Sustainable Village is providing free waters for the locals. Well, let's just see if this water actually works. There we go! Voila! This is amazing. Imagine in such an environment providing the locals with free water. Absolutely love it. Well, so we now fetched our water. We're going to the village.
Now this is our boho. That is where where we get our source of water. And in the solar lights, we get it here. We want the lights there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on top of the light, the hut, we roof with the solar panels. So we get water, we get lights from here. And when we turn it like this, it is now switch the boho.
Oh.
As you are, I think you are hearing the sound.
Yeah.
That. So this ball is for the majority for the people.
Okay.
Yeah. It mostly is for the people and us. And also we have dams behind there.
Mm-hmm.
So we use water for this borehole to fill the dams. For the giraffes, for the elephants, the ostrich.
Well, so since this is a sustainable community and I love nature and I love the environment, the best contribution I can make to the village of Lanyula is to plant a tree. Well, let's go and plant the African tigress tree in this village, at least to leave an impact here. Come with me. Please take care of my tree.
Okay.
If this tree dies, I'll be so heartbroken.
We keep it because it's a fruit.
Okay, so please keep my tree and I'll be coming to harvest fruit here. And whatever fruit is produced from this tree, give it free.
Sour tree fruit. Sour.
Yes. So give it free to the locals.
Okay.
Yes. So here is our plant, the African tigress plant in Lanyula Sustainable Village. So if you come to this village, ask them to show you my plant. Let's protect it. A little clap for the African tigress. And now, so that nobody forgets it, we're putting this mark here. Okay. What do you think about my tree?
Always keep it, make it live.
I will come back to check if my tree is live.
You will find it.
And big.
Big and fruit.
Next time I come, it should be as tall as I am and fruitful.
With fruit, yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Oh, nice.
Okay, cool. This being a dry area, the goal is to plant as many trees as possible and to make the area as green as possible. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode. Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. And as I always say, sharing is caring. Go ahead and share this episode. And until next time, bye-bye. Kwaheri.